Hey, audiophiles. I'm hooking up the EMC neutrik XLR connectors. There's not one video on YouTube how to do this. It's pretty simple. You don't put that much solder because you can see how small they are. See? Just put a little bit of solder. I mean, I leave it open for now so then I can see where I did with what. It's going to look like that when it's done. It's very simple. I'm going to need two hands though. Oh boy. I don't know what to do this. Alright. Let's see. Get in the way of the wire. Just hold it. Press down. Gotta wait for it. There it goes. Sinking. Let go. Connection made. Then the same for this. Just push over. Oop, don't slip. Okay. This side's not that easy because well, you could see it's on the side, which gravity has a little bit hard time with. There we go. Hold on. Gotta heat up. Taking a while. This side is the hardest side. Oh boy, oh boy. Come on. Come on. This might get it. There we go. Gotta melt it a little bit, and that's it. Alright. Now, you don't have to hook up the ground yet. This is what I like about this. It's only 2 connections, which is good. Don't forget to put on the boots. If you do one side at a time, the first side you could always slide the boot on. But do the best not to forget them because you don't want to do this again. Okay. I'll show you on this one the finish. Here. This is how it's gonna... That's how it's gonna look. Alright? Before it's finished. Oh, damn it. Doesn't want to stop shaking. Stop shaking the fucking wire. Focus. Whatever. Let me hold it so it doesn't shake. That's how it should look, okay? Now, what goes? This is for the female side. Alright. These metal things, right here. What's the camera? Right here. There's little grooves. There's little grooves. There's camera. There's little grooves. I can't focus. Focus. Well, you can barely, right there. You see that groove? One connector goes into there. And the other one on the bottom end result should look like this. Right? See? Goes on the bottom. when you put the boot on and everything, it's gonna tie it up. But you take, look, you take the ground and you just push it over this. You cut off the excess. You know, these are very, very simple. But when I first did it, I soldered it. And then you got to line this up. Gotta make sure that's all clicked in. Got to cut this one. Let me slide that over. That's in. Okay. Now that's how it should look. See? With the boot in, pushed in. Now, you gotta take the boot, push it up, and this boot will hold it will hold it all in place, so then you don't gotta hold it anymore. See? It's all being held in place. Then, take this. You gotta make sure it's all lined up. Take that and then you tie it down. I'm sorry I can't show this, but I need two hands and I'm just screwing it in. It's not, it's self-explanatory. For some reason, it's kind of crooked. Fix that. Let's see. That all looks fine. There are directions from the Neutrik website how to do this too, but sometimes video reference is easier. There we go. Oh, that's good. And that's finished. Oh, looks so crooked. I don't know what the hell's going on. Don't go crooked. I don't know. I don't know why. Give it a minute. Line this up. Come on. Going straight. That's good. Okay. It's going to look like this. This is the end result. Okay? And when I finish the other sides, the same thing, same process. And then I'll show you that the cable works and everything. Okay, bye. All right, it's all finished now. Look, see? You gotta wiggle it around a little bit to see if it's not good. See, I'm wiggling it. And you switch. That's good. That's good. And that one's good. Ooh, what was that? Let's see, just do that again. Okay, that's good. That's the battery. The on-off thing on this is the battery. You take out the battery, turn it off. Okay, it works. There you go.